guys? You're watching another video. Today's gonna be a very cool video for you guys. I know 80% of you guys love BMWs, and today is your day, guys. No more Nissan GTR stuff, no more JDM stuff. Today is all about BMWs. We're going to a car meet, and it's kind of, I think they're calling it BIMMERFEST. I think the actual BIMMERFEST like organization, I think it's over, bro, but this is like the new BIMMERFEST. It's today, so this vlog is gonna have tons of BMWs, bro. Pretty much all BMWs. And if you guys thought this was my car, this is not my car. This is actually the homie Nick's car. Yes, his name's also Nick, and yes, his car's almost like mine. We're literally twinning out here, but I didn't bring my car today. I'm actually riding passenger with him just so I can get better vlog content for you guys, because we're about to go on a big old cruise. And every time we go on a cruise, guys, I'm driving and it's so hard to film content at the same time. It's so hard to film, drive, pay attention to the road, pay attention to cops. So freaking hard. So today we're gonna be passenger. But yeah, today should be pretty sick. All BMWs except for one GTR. He's gonna be the only GTR there, bro. I almost brought mine so that we would both be the only GTRs there, but it's fine. It's all good. Also, this meet is in San Diego, so that's another big reason I did not want to drive. I'll just cruise with the homie. Kind of similar wrap to mine. Valtronic exhaust like mine. It's pretty sick. And the homie's name is Nick. This is a little pre-meet. They're about to do a caravan down to San Diego. It's about like a 2-hour drive, bro. This McLaren is beautiful. This is actually the owner of SSR Performance. This green is crazy. All this carbon fiber aero he has on it. God damn. That wing is hard, bro. That wing is crazy. Like, I like how he did a little pinstripe too, like a wrap. Looks sick. So many BMWs already. There's gonna be tons of F80s. There's a yellow one over there, just like David's, and a yellow one right there, like David's. So many BMWs, bro. So for those of you that have been complaining that you guys want more BMW content, I got you. BMW logo on the GTR. The only GTR here at the meet. But look, it's not no GTR no more.
This is the new M9.
We gotta cover this right here.
It's the fucking M9.
That's exactly what I would have done, guys, if I brought my GTR. But look, we made it. God damn, bro, that drive was a mission, bro. I'm so glad I didn't drive. Shout out to the homie Nick for taking me, because it was literally almost a 3-hour drive, guys. It was so freaking long. Straight traffic, bro. We never went over like 20 miles per hour. I was falling asleep the whole entire way. Hella BMWs, bro. Like ridiculous amount of BMWs. It's a little overwhelming, but I'm gonna try to film the best ones that I see, all the ones that I like personally, and I'll show you guys all like the cool. I'll try to show you guys as many as I could, but yeah, I'm gonna try to find the ones that I love, bro. Look at this thing, guys. Wow, that is a beautiful F80. All black. What's up? Can I have your car? I'll buy it right now. I'm just kidding.
How much?
I don't know. That shit is so clean, bro. That's the CS. Never mind, bro. I know you want like 100K for that one. That thing is beautiful, though.
That one? Yeah, yours.
Sheesh. I'll forever be sad that I sold mine, guys. But I swear I'm gonna get another one day. I feel like E92 M3s are gonna be hyped forever, bro. Like, so sick. One of the best iconic M3s, bro. I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. Well, don't you guys hate pimples? I literally popped it. in the parking lot of the Carmi right now, and it looks so ugly. But we just got some smoothies, some strawberry banana smoothies. Now we're waiting for some tacos because I have not ate anything, bro, and it's already like 3 o'clock. And I need food, bro. I'm so shaky. I need to start eating better, dude. That's the old FindingNick right there. Ready 92. Look at this thing, guys. Oh my god. E36 M3 wide body, bro. I think this is a Pandem kit. Got some carbon fiber all over. Carbon fiber hood. Look at the interior, dude. My bad, guys. This thing is insane, bro. For an E36, this interior is insane, bro. Look at this. Look at the back. I'm pretty sure this is my homie's old car. My homie Romo used to own this car. I think it's the same one. Wow, bro, that is one of the sickest E36 M3s I've ever seen. Like, I'm not even joking. It's perfect. From the wheels, the wide body kit, the wing, everything, bro. The roll cage. Bro, look how dirty this dude's car is. That's me every time I show up to car meets. That shit is hella dirty. Look how many Beamers there are, bro. It's crazy. A bunch of G80s here. But here's the first one I've seen. Clean. I like them. I know everyone wasn't a fan of the front, but I like it now. Another clean E36 M3 and an E30. I love this. This one reminds me of mine, guys. I feel like I had the same front lip, same wheels. All I was missing was that wing, bro. Oh, this is another car I regret selling. I regret selling all my cars. I'm so stupid. Imagine, guys, I still had this, that, GTR, E46, 350Z. Oh my god. And an F80. My garage would have been crazy, bro. My neighbors would for sure think I'm selling drugs, huh? Damn. These two are super clean. E92, M3. Look at this one, guys. Oh my god, bro. This might be one of the cleanest F80s. Wow, guys. This has to be my favorite car here right now. So far, this is my favorite car. 100%, bro. I actually love how he color matched the front lip and everything. No one really does that. What's up, bro? There's gonna be a ton of you guys here, I feel like. BBS wheels. God damn, this car is sick. Oh yeah, I need this car. Individual M3. That's how you know it's probably paint. That's a real Nardo gray. Whew. So beautiful, bro. And it's stick shift, I just saw. That is goals, dude. These E92s are sick too. Look at this. God damn, bro. These builds are so nice. It's sick seeing like different E92 setups. So nice, bro. The red TEs, HREs, bro. This guy's a baller for sure. Let me just spend like 10K on wheels. And he's supercharged. Oh yeah. And it's frozen paint, bro. That's not a wrap either. This dude for sure is a baller. Look at this, guys. It's calling my name. For sale, stick shift. I'm not gonna lie though, guys, I don't like these seats. I know they're super like rare, I think a lot of people like them, but I don't like them personally. I feel like that shit will get hot, bro. Like in the summer, your back's for sure gonna be sweaty. And I just don't like the texture of it, but I don't know. I know those seats are actually pretty popular though, or like rare, I think. This one's literally David's car, bro. The roll cage. Damn. I like that color, honestly. This is the homie Got Chucks on Instagram. His car is beautiful. Probably one of the most beautiful M4 builds ever, bro. Look at the details on this car. Like every single bolt and nut is replaced with brand new hardware. All carbon fiber everywhere. Wow, bro, this car is so nice. And it's a CS too, which is like the higher model. $100,000 plus model. Sheesh. This is Instagram, guys, if you guys want to check out his build. This car is too nice, bro. Damn, I'm jealous. I am jealous, bro. The engine bay is so beautiful. It's crazy. I don't even know what all this is, but that's not stock. It's just insane how I changed out every little piece of hardware.
Big ass fucking intake.
And now it's hella titanium. On the inside. Titanium bolts. Another M4 on BBS's. I think I've seen this one before in a vlog, if you guys remember. I think it's Kevin told me. Clean ass setup, bro. Those wheels are just so perfect. Wow, so nice, bro. What do you guys think about this wrap? Oh my god, Sam is a girl. That wrap is that is too much for me, bro. This shit's literally blinding, dude. I've never seen that wrap in my life. Holy shit, that is crazy. Looks like it's like grip tape or something. Let's do the GTR like that?
No, sir.
This thing is sick, guys. Look, E46 M3 wagon. What? There's no way. Is that real? I don't know, guys, but that shit is so crazy. I'm not sure if they actually made them or not, but some people convert them, but that's pretty sick, bro. Oh my god, another F80. That's a lot of work done to this one. That is crazy. Carbon trunk. That trunk is hard. I can't wait, guys. I really want one, and I honestly can't wait till I get one. That wheel setup's super clean. There's some supercars here. We got a Performante. Sick ass Performante. I don't know why they're convertibles though, but they're still sick. R8. You guys know I want one of these one day. Hopefully soon. But that's sick. Some supercars. Look at this one, guys. G80 wrapped in pink. That's a badass pink, bro. There's a bunch of other supercars. Look, GT2 RS or GT3 RS? It might be a 2. And then McLaren's. So sick. Look at this thing, guys. FindingNick. These things are so clean. Another JDM car. He's at the wrong meet. Damn. I've always wanted to do that. All the carbon fiber replacement. It's pretty sick. Guys, look at this E30. What is in the engine bay, bro? Oh my god. Look at this. That is insane, bro. It's a 2JZ, I think. With a crazy exhaust setup, all titanium. The little what are those called? I forgot what they're called, but they look sick. I want to do that with my E46 exhaust. Crazy wide-body kit. Sheesh, this thing is badass. What do you guys think? You guys like it? This might be one of my favorite E30s, bro. The wrap looks so sick, too. Shit's clean. Look at all these Yaz Marina Blue BMWs. There's so many. Wow, we're on HREs as well. Big baller. This might be my homies. I think it's homie Daniels. Guys, look at this F80. Watch. Look at the interior. Oh my god, bro. This dude has so much carbon fiber. That is insane. I don't think I've ever seen an F80 with this much carbon fiber in my life, bro. The whole back seat is carbon fiber. Look at the doors. There's no way. There's literally no way, bro. I've never seen this much carbon fiber in my life. And it's honeycomb carbon fiber. It's not even regular. It has little honeycombs you can see. That's sick, bro. Sheesh. I gotta show David this. And even got the carbon fiber gas cap, carbon fiber side skirts. So sick.
Nah, but yeah, bro. Oh shit, what's up, bro? What's going on?
Where's your car at?
Over there, go vlog it, go vlog it.
Where's it at?
It's like on this road.
You didn't park in VIP?
No.
Damn. That's crazy.
Get my car though.
All the chrome BBSs too. Imagine you did like polished lips. That would be insane. And it's supercharged. How does he not get pulled over, bro, with that wrap? Like, that shit blinds everybody. It has to be illegal, right? Another GTR. Nick's not the only one. Yeah, this is pretty sick. Some Advance. There's so many F80s here, guys. Makes me want one so bad. Like, for sure after this car meet, I'm for sure buying one. Like, I'm not even joking. Tell me Jason and Kevin. Damn. This is Jason's E92. You guys probably seen his F80 on my recent vlog, but this is E92. He brought it out here. One of the most beautiful E92 M3s. And you would never expect it, but this thing has pretty high miles, bro. He daily drives it. And it's so beautiful, bro. You would never expect it. He takes super good care of it. Crazy Recaro seats. Look at that BMW. Alright guys, we out. That was a pretty cool meet. But I'm tired. We're falling asleep over here.
tired, bro. I'm so tired.
Low-key, that drive killed us, dude. And then the heat. Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. God damn, this shit goes fast. Bro, I feel like this might be faster than mine.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. While y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that overnight. Sleepless nights trying to cope with life. Cause I can't understand it. No, I can't understand it.